Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share 3 ways to delete unwanted blank pages in Microsoft Word. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I just opened Word application, so I have around 2 pages. So I don't want this page to be there in my document. I want to delete the page. What I have to do here? The first way, so just go to second page and click the second page. There will be a mouse is blinking over here. So use your backspace. Automatically your second page will be deleted. So just use the backspace so that you will able to delete your pages. That is, your second page, unwanted page, will be deleted. First step will get over, the first way gets over. The second way how to delete this page. So I don't want this blank page. So go to home button on your top menu, just use P symbol, that is paragraph symbol. Just click this one. Automatically the paragraph symbol will be open here. So just go to paragraph symbol over here. There will be a page break here. So just choose a page break and just click delete option. Automatically the second page will be deleted. So using your page break, select the page break, delete means the second way you can delete unwanted pages in your Word document. Yes, the third way, so if you want to remove this paragraph symbol, just click here to remove the paragraph symbol over here. The third way how to delete this unwanted pages. So in your menu, so there is 2 pages are there. On your menu bar, just go to view menu and you will find an option called navigation pane. Just choose the navigation pane. There will be a heading, pages, results will be there. Just choose the pages. Just use backspace or delete means automatically the second page will be deleted in your document. Using these 3 ways you can delete your blank page or unwanted page from your documents. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.